Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a vlog style video for you guys because these are my favorite. And what I'm gonna start with is kind of crazy. We have just finished a huge project in the house. The upstairs bathroom got completely gut renovated and I have no idea what has gone on in there. I just didn't have the time or energy to care. And at a certain point, I'm like, you know what? I want to be surprised. Surprise me. It was a bit of a risk because Mr. Bougie, I mean, he could have really done anything in there, but I'm assuming and I'm hoping that it matches with our other bathroom. Because a couple of years ago, we renovated the downstairs bathroom and the primary bathroom. There was one last bathroom remaining, and that is the kids bathroom, which is probably the most important one because it gets used the most. First, let me just show you the before, the original, what it looked like in here. There is nothing wrong with it. It was just the cabinet doors were falling off. Lighting wasn't great. It felt really cramped in here. Now let's go upstairs and check it out.
Are you ready for the big bathroom reveal? Prepare to feast your eyes on perfection.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, the floors. The floors look like they're shining.
I wanted to do something that was gorgeous, so wanted to incorporate this beautiful tile once again in here. So went with it like we did on the downstairs bathroom for the backsplash behind the mirrors.
And this is budget friendly, right?
Sure. And for the floors, this is the wow moment. Not only is it beautiful, but it's got traction for the kids. The chrome looked beautiful in the other two bathrooms, but you know, I wanted a little bit of a black pop flare thing going on here. I think it turned out nicely. A little more masculine, I will admit. I don't know, you tell me.
Yeah, there's more contrast. I like it. Talk to me about these light fixtures.
You got these two triple lights above each mirror. I got this single vertical sconce here, and then this beautiful light fixture up here.
Ooh,
all
glam.
on the black theme. I think it turned out well. Got the beautiful tile once again tying in on the shower niche right here. We still need the glass, and we're gonna do a beautiful Roman shade right here. So those will be the final two pieces, and then this masterpiece will be complete.
Wow, how do you guys think Ryan did? Rate down in the comments from 1 to 10.
Just a little bit salt.
Just a little bit of salt. How's it taste?
Good. That's silver. That's a little bit spicy.
This little segment here is going to be an organized with me, and it's going to be voiceover style because the audio got messed up. So this playroom, you guys, became a complete and utter disaster. I'm almost embarrassed to show you this. So here's the before. Here's the full mess tour. I mean, it is chaos. It is clutter. It is a disaster. How did we accumulate so many toys? I blame Grandma. I blame Grandpa. That's really what it is. And oh, this is where it really gets bad, and this needed an intervention. So I just started getting in there, going through everything one by one. This was a daunting task, but you can see I'm listening to an audiobook, and that helps. That is my first tip. Get yourself something good to listen to. It helps the time go by. Ryan had the kids out of the house. A lot of these larger toys, the kids just have not looked at, have not played with, and they're taking up space. I wanted it to be very minimal. I wanted to go from overflowing clutter to just the things we love the most. And then I have a toy rotation system, which I will talk about, where we bring in new toys every day and take them out so they'll actually see and appreciate the toys they have. That's the goal. That's the vision. So at some point when you're decluttering, you're gonna have regrets. What was I doing? This is too much, but I did it. And so here again is a reminder of the before of the space. Oh my gosh, so bad. And now wait for it. Here's the after, just like that. If only it was that fast, but it did only take maybe 3 hours total. And oh my gosh, I am so glad I spent the time and I did this. It makes me so happy. I feel like 100 pounds have been lifted off my shoulders. So let's talk through in detail how I did this toy rotation system. The idea here is there's 7 boxes, so 1 new box of toys a day. I went with these particular bins because they're opaque, so I wanted it to be like a surprise. So I will link these exact bins below. I love them, really good quality for the price. And I just basically put an assortment of toys in here. And then I use these bags to subdivide. Like here's a bunch of cars in here. There's stuff for both kids. Like we have a ball, we have this random thing. And today was the first day, and let me tell you, they played with these toys that they had not even looked at for months, like they were brand new. And I just tried to have a good mix of toys in each of the bins, and some of them even have art supplies too. So here is today's bin in here, and you can see they're actually playing with the toys. When there's too many toys all available at once, they don't play with them. That's what we found was happening. So this has been amazing. And then we do have these toys out available that they can play with every day. These are kind of the most played with toys, like Play-Doh, Magnet Tiles, Olive Carter's cars, train set, books. And then we have the special toys of the day. Okay, it looks like Ryan officially has a new thing. First it was the short shorts, and now it is Hawaiian shirts in bulk. Wow, this is a look. What do we think, guys? Stylish or not? Vote in the comments below.
It's a midlife crisis shirt haul.
Good morning. It is the next day. I look absolutely crazy right now, but I thought I would show you my little hack, how I've been sleeping to keep my curls intact. So I had curled my hair yesterday and I want it to last. So I wrap it around a robe tie. And I actually find the robe tie is great because it's flat against your head, so I can sleep on my side. And you just take it out. And I'm sorry, I mean, look at these curls. Shirley Temple who? And then, hair extension in. I look put together in under 2 minutes, literally. We're gonna do a little segment here on my vlogs called Struggle of the Week. So my struggle of the week is feeling like, as a working mom, I am not spending enough time with my kids, and it's genuinely breaking my heart. I went to bed crying 2 nights ago because Carter told me right before bed as I was tucking him in that he loves daddy just a little bit more than me. I'm laughing about it now, but I honestly burst into tears. He's like, you know, daddy just spends more time with me and he takes me fun places. So after wallowing in self-pity and crying myself to sleep, I decided, you know what? I want to make a point to do one new fun thing solo with each kid every week at least. And here's the other thing. It is not fair because Ryan always gets them delicious treats. They go out, he gets them ice cream, cookies, banana split, whatever. I give them fruit plates. So you guys, I have been gatekeeping something from you for a while. The built-in bra workout tops that I wear, game changing. Once you start wearing tops with the built-in bra, like, I'll never go back. The ones I wear are all by the brand called Halara. I randomly found them through an Instagram ad. Literally 75% of everything I wear. So this is my collection of Halara tops, and they all have the built-in bras, really cute backs to them. Like, look how pretty. Cute little designs. They give great support, and they're all around between $20 and $35 at the most, and they always have crazy sales. I'm going to message them one more time to see if I can get a discount code. They don't do affiliate or anything, but at least give me a code for you guys. Here is Carter's outfit of the day. Little matching set. We have the Elvis hair going. We like volume. We want Elvis. So we made a change in plans. We ended up here at the beach. As we were driving, I was listening to my audiobook, and you guys, I am not well. I mean, I am well. It's the Plated Prisoner series. I was literally driving like this, like, if you're listening to me talk about this and you're like, Brittany, fantasy books? Really? That sounds lame. Don't knock it till you try it. That's all I have to say. Okay, sorry, I just had to say that. Had to get off my chest. So this is one of my favorite hidden gems in all of San Diego. It is in Del Mar. It's the Del Mar Plaza. The blue, that's the ocean. And it is so nice and peaceful up here. Oh look, art and play space. Look at that. How cute. We're doing the arts and crafts. There's a whole arts and crafts table. This is Carter's. How cute. And look at this. It's like a water faucet. We just picked up some pizza from the best pizza in all of San Diego. I'm not even kidding. And look how pretty. This is called Seagrove Park right here on the ocean. Now we're having pizza with the view. It's so nice. It's not too hot today. We're finishing our visit at Nice Cream.
It's not ice cream, it's nice cream. There it is! I'm gonna eat that.
We're really trying to go in and win Carter back over. Mom is fun too. Isn't mommy fun too? I'm as fun as Dad. The next project I want to tackle today is my meal prepping. I just find it so much more convenient to have my meals for the week already made, planned out. I just have to reheat and eat. That is my life. Thank you very much. Here is what I'm making for my lunch for the week. This Moroccan Instant Pot lentils. I've made this before. It is so good. So this is a safe recipe. I know I'm going to love it. It was easy to make. And then I'm trying a new recipe that looked good, Mexican spaghetti squash casserole. I get all of my recipes from this one website. What is it called? Sweet Pea and Saffron. I'll link them down below. Everything I've made by her has been amazing. So here's my process. I get out all the ingredients and I cut, chop, prep everything first. Okay, the hardest part, the chopping and prep, is all complete, and it actually didn't take too long, maybe 10-12 minutes. And then I also did this spaghetti squash in the Instant Pot for 7 minutes to cook this through, and now we are ready to assemble. And I have to say, if you don't cook with a little bowl for all your trash and scraps, it is so helpful, just because it helps you cook cleaner and there's less of a mess to deal with later, and you don't have to constantly run to the trash can. So now all I did, I added all the vegetables, the lentils. Now we have our spice blend. There are a lot of spices in this, and they're very important. They make it taste extra good. Then I added the diced tomatoes, vegetable stock, and then I'm gonna put this on pressure cook for 15 minutes, and that is it. So for this Mexican spaghetti squash casserole, I just combined all of my ingredients into this bowl. I need to stir it up, but we have black beans, corn, eggs, cheese, spaghetti squash, enchilada sauce, diced tomatoes. Then I'm gonna add my red bell pepper and ground turkey meat. Mix it all together. Carter said he wanted to help, and he's sitting here eating all of the corn. He's shuffling corn into his mouth. Oh dear. Okay. So now we have all of the ingredients in the casserole dish. I'm going to top it with some mozzarella cheese and put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Here's the mess that I'm left with. I try to cook fairly clean, so it's not too bad, I would say. Here is the Moroccan lentil stew all finished. I wish you could smell my house right now. The spices are just insane. And then this is the spaghetti squash casserole. I'm hoping my kids will also like both of these recipes. Carter is my picky one. Capri will eat anything. Okay, I just took a bite of this and wow, it tastes 100 times better than it looks. I know it does not look the best, but this combination of flavors and textures, oh, so good. This needs to be put on record. Ryan actually ate an entire serving and said that it was absolutely delicious.
It was amazing. I mean, it tastes way better than what I make. I make just plain, you know, chicken, fish, rice, and vegetables, and then I put a little bit of hot sauce or something on there. This was way better.
This is a really random gadget I showed on my Instagram stories the other day. It is a pill reminder that sticks right on the bottle. So this answers the question, did I take my pill today? So I just took it. I can swipe it over and I know for sure that I took it. Now, when I posted this, it sold out pretty quickly. So I will link down below a similar one. Same concept. So incredibly useful if you have a medication or a supplement that you need to take daily. There's not enough Capri in my vlog because when I took her out to the zoo, she was being very clingy, so I didn't get any clips.
Oh no.
Well,
you certainly made a lot of it.
All of my vlogs are going to include a quick little segment of what I'm reading. So first of all, my Kindle got a makeover. This is a skin from Decal Girl, and then I even put a pop socket on the back so it's easier to grip. I'm reading the book series called The Plated Prisoner, and you guys, I can't even put it into words. You have to get to book 3. I literally cannot focus today because this rocked my world. My favorite book of the year, for me at least. Like, this made me feel things, okay? My Prime Day impulse buy has arrived and I have no regrets. This is peak parenting, okay? Because we're here sitting in the shade. They're just playing. That's really fast.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
All right, so that was just a few random clips from the past couple of days where I did some fun, productive things around the house. And also, I don't think I mentioned on here, but the Ivy chain herself has come back in stock. This necklace keeps selling out. This is a statement piece. It is so stunning, especially in person. It catches the light. It gives you like this halo effect. This is something you can literally wear every single day and just feel a little bit more special, a little bit more put together. So yeah, we just got them back. They've been out of stock for months, so I will have the link to them down below if you are interested, if you've been wanting it. And with all of that said, thank you so much as always for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.